Alright, you don't know say Andrew Trabass from Trabass TV. Me talk about the A and Q question them. Answer on the question A and Q. Yeah. Mostly girls are doing it right now. Why people are sending it to me? Me look like a girl? Please stop sending me the message up. Me answer them. A girl text me and say, what I like about myself, I like my lips and my big head. And I know me alone big. You see it? Yeah. What is your favorite thing while having sex? My favorite thing while having sex is just having sex. Enjoying sex. Just sex. Want sex? Get sex. Sex. Done sex. That's it. The next question is, who me prefer, wifey or matey? Next question is, slim girl or fat girl? Well, I kinda love the two of them. Shut up, man! I kinda love the two of them still. Slim one and the fat one. Fat one you can hold on something. You see it? And slim one them you can say good like the ice in a freezer. Yo, that true that. Yo. I wish we could have put one girl in the fridge, so yo. Next question is, people are say, can I sing? Me need to stop sing. Nas, me can't sing Nas. Nas, me can't sing in a Nas.
Have you ever loved somebody so much it makes you cry? Have you ever needed something so bad you
can't sleep at night? Have you ever tried to find out? There you go. Bowman can't sing. Next question is, why my head so big? You really gotta ask me that question eh? Because my head strong. My head big but my neck strong. And on the dirty wine me I do. My head big but my head strong. Next question, when was I born? I was born on December the 6th. Nigga! Next question is, have I ever had a threesome? Next question is, am I single? Yeah, ask me if I'm single. And you live on my Facebook, you know. You see who me in relationship with on Facebook. So why you ask me if I'm single? Hello, may I help you? Nah, no manners. Some of them questions I kinda really slack still, and me not really answer them thing cause some of them things are really personal. You see it? So thanks money for explaining the A and Q question to me, cause a bag of people are saying it and don't know what it means. Ask me one bag of question, I think I just because, you know, yeah, but them want to answer them. So I'm not going to write it on my status and write Q and A, but just going to put it in a video. So hope you like it.